Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about the MINA BAIE Emmy. Alright, so before I get on into this review and packing video, I want to let you all know that I am collaborating with two good friends here on YouTube, Jen, who is Poppins Approved, and Nicole, who is Hello Happy Mom. I will have their channels, of course, linked below in the description box, so you can head on over there to see alternative ways to pack up this Emmy bag. I feel like this is a really good one to collab on because there's so many different ways that you can pack up this bag and use it. It's like the perfect size for long trips out, for traveling. This is like a dream bag for moms with multiple children, especially like maybe moms of twins or moms with infants and toddlers. It also makes a really good kind of everyday like work bag. So I really feel like it's a good one to have in anybody's collection. So it'll be fun to check out how they are packing it up. Let's talk about some of my favorite features first before we put the camera down and I show you everything that I have packed up inside. I have this bag packed up super full. It is packed to the max and I have all the different ways that you can carry it attached. You have this long kind of strap that you can throw over your shoulder, and when you use it, it kind of makes the bag like a little bit of like a hobo style here. And then of course you have these awesome grab handles that I'm grabbing the bag with here at the top. And then on the back of the bag, which is super cool, you have the option to wear it backpack way. So it's really nice because if you don't want to even wear it backpack style, you can make these straps a little bit longer, make one a messenger style and attach it to the side ring. So you can pretty much carry this bag however you need to. I love that I can have all of the straps on here at one time so that if I want to just grab it, I can. If I want to throw it over my shoulder and make it like a really comfy like shoulder bag, I can do that. And then if I need to be hands-free, I can also do that with the backpack. So I love that about this bag here. All right, so there aren't many pockets on the outside of this bag, but there are a few for you to put in items that you need to grab quickly. Right here on the front of the bag, you do have etched right here in gold the MINA BAIE logo. Now this bag does come in a gunmetal hardware option, which is really, really pretty. I actually have the Fanny Pack in here with the gold or with the gunmetal hardware, so you'll be able to see that also. But this bag does come in that option, so if you wanted more of a muted kind of zipper, you could have that option as well. So just wanted to point that out. I believe actually, I think Nicole's bag, her Emmy, is with the gunmetal hardware. I'm not sure about Jen's, but anyways, total sidebar. But right here on the front of the bag, you do have one really strong pocket. And all I have down in here is my cell phone. It's just a great little external pocket for that. The pocket is magnetic, so you have a really strong magnetic kind of closure there at the top. The only other thing I have down in this pocket is my face mask. Right there kind of on the outside. Now this pocket goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. Like I have my entire hand down in there. So it's a really big front pocket, but it's kind of hidden at the same time. So I like that about that. On the back of the bag, I'll kind of flip it around and show you here for a second. You don't have any pockets or anything like that. You just have the backpack straps should you wish to put those back there. I just kind of leave them on there because they don't get in the way of anything because there's nothing that I'm needing to grab back here. On the side of the bags, you do have two big pockets. Now, these pockets are a great size for pretty much any size water bottle. You can fit two baby bottles back here. They're a really, really good size pocket. The only thing I have over here in this one is my Jujubee Be Shady, and I have my eyeglasses and my sunglasses in here, I believe. Well, just my sunglasses at the moment, but I'm able to put both my eyeglasses and sunglasses in there, so I love that. That's the only thing I had over here in this side pocket. When you flip the bag around, you can't really turn it the whole way since it's on the couch here, but over here in this pocket, I just have a Touchland hand sanitizer, and then I also have my keys, and they are just attached to a little Jujubee keychain and my lippy clip. So I have those kind of in that side pocket over there. I'm able to grab those quickly if I need them. Now the side flaps, now that I'm over here, they do go down on their own, which is really nice whenever you're not using this particular strap. There's no magnetic or anything over here. I know some of the MINA BAIE styles do have a magnet that clasps on the side. This one does not, but it does go down very easily without any type of fuss. Looking down at the top of the bag here, you have the 2 grab handles, which are awesome because they're super soft and they're not stiff. So when you open up the bag here, it opens up nice and wide and those handles just move out of the way, which I love about it because this makes a fantastic travel bag if you need to have it on the floor, say, of a car if you're traveling, or airplane travel, the seat next to you or down on the floor, you know, in front of you. It just opens up really nice and wide so that you can grab anything that you need out of it. I love it. I love how it just kind of stays open like that. Light colored lining, of course, so you can see everything that's on the inside. This bag is full of pockets. Let me tell you, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elastic pockets. And then you have a small zipper pocket here and another long zipper pocket back here. Let's go ahead and start off by talking about this Londini case because it is so cool. I thought about doing a review just on this by itself, and I still might if there's interest if you guys want to see it in more detail. But this is the little pouch that was over here in the corner of the bag that I just pulled out. It has a leather handle here on the side. This is great for like big tote bags or even large backpacks because it's really easy to pull in and out. There's just one smooth zipper that goes the entire way around. And what I love about it is on the side over here, there's actually gussets in this pouch. So all of your things don't go flying out when you open the bag, but yet it opens up so nice and wide. You can literally see everything that's inside of it. You can grab whatever you need really easily. On the back of the pouch here is a external like zipper pocket, which is so cool. In here, I just have a bunch of Band-Aids because we need those literally all the time. Like I feel like I grab for Band-Aids all the time. So those are back here in this zipper pocket, and then some big, kind of bigger Band-Aids if needed. So those are back here so that they're easy to grab. And then on the inside here, I'm not gonna pull everything out and bore you guys, but I think you can get a really good picture as to what I have in here. It's just all extras and things that we may need, especially out for like a long day. I have extra hand sanitizer in here. I also have extra face masks in these little pouches, a little thing of hair ties. There are these loops on the inside of the bag, which are so cool. I actually think you can probably see it pretty well right here. I have things like essential oil roller balls, Advil, I have my healer stick tucked down in there, some Neosporin, and then directly behind these loops, you have another pocket, which is so great for larger Band-Aids. I have some of these like wet ones. I have more like emergency pack for vitamin C, all those kind of like slim things that I don't want to get lost in the main bulk of the pouch. There's a separate thing here. And then last but not least, back here, you have another zipper pocket, and it is the perfect pocket for things like nail files. I also have Q-tips in here. There's travel scissors and nail clippers. All that kind of stuff is just kind of separate in this pocket. So I highly, highly recommend keeping an eye out for when they restock this. This is just awesome. Next to where that Londini pouch was over here in the corner, I have both of my planners in here. I have my Erin Condren monthly planner, and this I plan all of my blog stuff and Gator Mom content for YouTube and whatnot. I have a review on this one if you want to see a flip through. And then I also have directly in front of it here my other planner, and this is for all of my personal things, my meal plan. I have notebooks in here. This is the Erin Condren Folio Planner. Again, I have a flip through of this one as well for those of you that are interested in on how I have this one all structured. So I have that in there as well. And then last but not least, in the big bulk middle part here of the bag, I do have the MINA BAIE Fanny. And I've actually gone through this one in the camel like leather color. I haven't showed this particular one, but I do have a walkthrough on how I have it packed up. But it is a fanny pack as well as a crossbody. I just have the strap there attached to it. And this is great to throw in this big Emmy. If I just want to grab this and go, I can go ahead and throw my keys in it. It acts as my wallet. I have all of my cards back here inside. I actually have a hand sanitizer already ready to go and some face masks
inside this front pocket here. And then I'm able to throw whatever else, little things that I want, like my keys, and I have it all ready to kind of grab and go, and I don't have to grab my big Emmy. So I like having that option inside a larger bag like this. Now you can really see how much room you have inside this bag. There's so many pockets. You have pockets all the way around the bag. You have zipper pockets. There's so many ways that you can really organize it. So let's go ahead and pull out everything else that's in here. Over here in this side elastic pocket attached to the leather leash that is inside this bag here, which is great if you have things like a passy pod or things you need to grab quickly. I just have a silicone mini O-Venture pouch, and inside here I have little mini cars for my youngest. These are great for just a quick little thing to entertain him, especially if we're out to eat or somewhere that he just needs to have something to do real quick. So those are inside this pouch here, which fits perfectly inside that pocket. I don't have anything in the pocket that was directly across over here on the side. I had my planners and the fanny pack kind of right up against that side. So don't have anything in that one. Moving on to these back elastic pockets. This one here, I have activities for the kids. I have a set of Bic magic markers, and I also have just some coloring books. These are from old play packs. And then I have a word seek book for my older kids. I can fit more in that pocket, definitely, like some crayons or even another notebook in there. Over here in this one, I have a pouch from 31. I love this. I've shared it a little bit over on Instagram, but you have a clear pouch here on the front, which I typically will keep wet ones in here. And then on the big bulk of the bag, it is thermal. So it is a thermal pouch, which I keep all of our snacks in, especially things like chocolate granola bars that I don't want melting in the sun. And then I have like graham crackers. I also have like some chicken sticks down here, like little on the go. I'll show you down here. These little like beef sticks. These are actually chicken, but you guys get the idea. So all of that kind of stuff fits inside here. Fruit snacks, tons of snacks fit down inside in this pouch. And then you also have another little pocket back here. So it is great to put on the go things that you need to keep either cool or warm because it is thermal lined. Then back here in this zipper pocket, which goes the entire width of the bag, it is a very large pocket. I just have some tissues, and then I also have a full pack of wet ones that I will likely kind of pull and put in that pouch as I need them, but that's just back there in that pocket. I'll give you a good look on it. It, like I said, goes the entire width of the bag, but it only goes about halfway down. So it's not a very deep pocket, it's very functional. Moving the bag around to the other side, you have another large elastic pocket. Then you have one that's a little bit smaller and a mini pocket on top. I love this setup because it's really easy to grab things in these pockets that I want to keep that are smaller. Like I have a pen tucked down inside this one and my Posh hand cream, which you guys know I use all the time, especially right now when it's like cool and dry out. Then right below that pocket, I actually have my Limea coin purse, and inside here I have my studio earbuds. So this is a great little case for those. I'm able to just grab them out whenever I need them, and I also have the charging cable inside there. And then attached to it on the zipper, I have my Packed Party confetti charger, and this is just a little external charger should I need that while I'm out. Then over here in this pocket, I have a small little pencil pouch from Simplified. I love this one. Something about Happy Stripe just makes me happy, I guess. I don't know, but I really like all of the colors of this particular pouch. And inside here, I actually just have all of my pens. Most of these are either Simplified, Sharpie, or Erin Condren pens. They are the ones that I like to use the best with my planners. So I have that tucked down in there, and then the kids can use these if they want for like drawing or whatever when we're out also. Then last but not least is this little mini zipper pocket up here. And inside here, I just have a pack of gum, things I would need to grab quick, like all the time, chapstick. And then I also have some more hair ties. And I think that might be, oh, another little like chapstick in there too. So all that kind of stuff goes inside this little pocket. So much more room in there than what I was even using. It's a great pocket. I love this side of the bag so much. So let me give you another really good look on the bag all empty. Like I said, you can pack this so many different ways. This is the one side here that I just showed you. and then I will flip it around and give you one last look now that the bag is all empty. If you guys have any questions or comments on this one, feel free to leave them below. I will have the corresponding blog post, which has links to everything mentioned today, as well as a link to Nicole and Jen's channel so you can see how they packed up this same Emmy. I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope you have a great day.